Hey, what's up guys, this is Baljit and I'm going to make a quick video about hot water issue. Majority of the time if you open hot water tap or you open shower valve, you will not get hot water as soon as you open or quick. It will take longer. Sometimes it take like 30-40 seconds, sometimes a minute or longer. So that's the reason we are wasting a lot of water. So in this video I'm going to show you something. It's gonna fix your issue. It's gonna save a lot of water. You can save money. So how, like say, if I have opened this hot water side, and in my case, I will get hot water in like 5 seconds. Maybe 2 seconds I will not get, but I will get really quick. I have a 2-story house and I have a tank water heater. So I will take you on my water heater. I will show you what I have a different in my house so I get hot water. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Now let's move to water heater and I'll show you something. So I am in my garage right now with my water heater. As you can see, I have a tank water heater, but the process I'm going to show, I will work with all. It will work with the tankless water heater too. Actually, with my water heater, I have installed one circulation water pump. It have a little timer on it and I have a set time like every day it circulate water 2 or 3 times. So basically what it does, it get hot water from my tank and it pushes through the water line, like hot water line. So that's the way anytime I open my tap and I will get hot water. Actually, if you can see, there was a drain, so we have installed through the drain and we have a force inside one end to the hot water pipeline, and that's the way I will get hot water. This pump specific, the one I have, this one the best pump I have. It's cost about like $350 to $400 USA. There is a cheaper one too, but this one is I have installed already from 10 years. Actually, what happened today, I went one of my customer, they have a same issue. They have a 2-story house, but they was complaining, oh, they don't get water like for comes sometime like 2-3 minutes for upstairs. And that's the way they're losing a lot of water. But by just installing this $350 pump, you will save a lot of money, because I'm just saving money from like 10 years. So that's the way I decided to make a video. If you have a same issue, you cannot install this one. Probably you need like a plumber to do that one. So you just install this kind of pump, invest some money, and then rest of the time you will save money. And this pump will last many years. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.